Should you get a new launch or resale property? There are many factors that come into play when deciding which is the best choice for you, such as location, time frame, renovation costs, and condo facilities. But aside from these general considerations, the main question on everyone's mind is, which is the more resilient property choice that will hold or even appreciate in value over the span of 5 to 10 years? Hi everyone, my name is John, and today, to help you decide which of the two serves as a better investment or safety net, we'll be taking a look at realistic price performances of two mixed development condominiums in District 23, Bukit Panjang, followed by another two crazy launches that fetched owners stellar returns in just a short span of 2 to 3 years. Let's begin. Hillion Residences is a 99-year leasehold development with a total number of 546 units, which launched in 2013 and TOP'd in 2017. During the launch period, home buyers are usually purchasing at the lowest entry price as units are being sold first-hand by the developer. The price per square foot during the initial phase of Hillion's launch back in 2013 was an average of $1,300. Upon its TOP in 2017, prices immediately surged to an average of $1,500 per square foot, with the highest recorded transaction at $1,836 per square foot in early 2019. Let's analyze some of the profits homeowners made till date by taking full advantage of Hillion's early entry prices. The highest profit earned to date is $485,000, with one homeowner even profiting $223,000 in just a short span of 4 years. Now, looking back at Hillion Residences' price movement from 2017 when it obtained its TOP till today, we can see that prices have not increased much, but in fact remained fairly stagnant at approximately $1,500 to $1,600 per square foot. It is at this juncture that we start to see resale buyers cashing out from Hillion. Now let's take a look at the profits earned by these resale buyers when they decided to sell. We can see that the returns are much lesser for buyers that purchased after the development's launch in 2017, with an average profit of only $20,000 to $40,000, with the highest returns being $72,000, having appreciated only 2.2% per year. At this stage, we clearly see second-hand buyers profiting lesser than those who bought first-hand from the developer. In fact, some resale buyers even made losses when they bought second-hand into Hillion Residences. This is a common trait because resale buyers usually enjoy a lower margin for capital growth after entering at a higher price to pay for the first owner's profit. Now, let's take a look at another new launch development in the same district called the Tennery. The Tennery was launched slightly earlier than Hillion Residences, located less than 1 kilometer away. It is also a 99-year leasehold project consisting of 338 units which obtained its TOP in the year 2014. It was launched at an average of $1,100 per square foot back in 2011. Although priced approximately 20% lower than Hillion Residences at launch, unlike Hillion, the Tennery's prices also began to immediately climb after launch, with its price per square foot reaching an average price of $1,300 upon completion in 2014. Owners of the Tennery that leveraged on early launch prices and sold upon TOP made substantial profits in just a short span of 2 years, with the highest profit at $134,000 at the growth rate of 8.3% per year. Now, if these numbers don't excite you, let's take a quick look at two more recent developments from other districts that rewarded homeowners with outstanding returns in just 2 to 3 years. Located in District 13 to Payoh, Park Colonial is a 99-year leasehold development with a total number of 805 units, which launched in 2018 and TOP'd in 2021. Buyers who entered early in 2018 and 2019, when the average price per square foot was in the 1700s, enjoyed up to 20% returns in just 3 years when prices rose up to the 2000s range upon TOP in 2021. Looking at the transaction prices, a good majority of owners who purchased units during launch period in 2018 profited more than $200,000 after selling upon TOP in 2021. An even crazier launch is the Minton, a 99-year leasehold launch located at District 19 Hougang, which launched in 2010 and TOP'd in 2013. As prices per square foot shot up from an average of $800 during new launch sales in 2010 to an average of $1,100 upon TOP in 2013, buyers of the Minton saw an almost 35% increase in returns, and homeowners fetched profits of up to $400,000 to even $600,000, with a good majority making an average of more than $300,000 in just a short span of 3 years. In spite of the Minton's super high returns, similar to Park Colonial and the other examples from District 23, prices per square foot also began to stagnate after TOP, with resale buyers only making average profits of $150,000 in the same time span of 2 to 3 years. So, were property prices considered high 5 years ago? Yes. Are property prices considered high today? Sure. But in 5 years from now, would you rather be the person who's holding on to an appreciated asset or the person lamenting that he should have entered the market early 5 years ago? The point I'm trying to make is that you will always be entering the market at a high, as prices are only perceived as being low in retrospect. The key is, as the saying goes, not to wait to buy real estate, but to buy real estate and wait. If you would like to find out more about ongoing or upcoming new launch projects within your area, please feel free to reach out to me. Once again, my name is John, and I hope you found the information I've shared with you today helpful. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye!